Hello again and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video what we simply have is I'm going to be phasing my wires, which will be my neutral wires. Reason being is because the cable, which is a white cable, is not identified in this video, and the type of wires that I'm using, there is no white cable, so required by code I have to identify my white cable with tape, and that's what I will be doing in this video. So again, go ahead and sit back and enjoy the video till the end. Hello again and welcome back to my channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for subscribing to the channel, and also for those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. You can also make sure that your notification is turned to all, and also you can like and share the video, and I will catch you guys at the end of the video. So again, also keep in mind that this service that I have here is a 400 amp main installation, and required by code I have to run parallel feed. So the cables that you see on the top, they are parallel feeds. So keep that in mind. When it comes to a 400 amp service, we require to run 2 parallel feeds, which is in the code book. So again, I would like to thank you all for tuning in to my video, and the continuing support of the channel in order to let the channel grow and get out into the world, so my content can be discovered, and allow it to help many others out there, as far as who are in the trade and are seeking a little bit of knowledge. I hope this video does make it to you, and you are well informed after the video. So again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into the video, taking the time out to support the videos and the live streams again. So just like I said, enjoy the video. So again, for all those who are tuned into the video, this is a 400 amp service, and the reason why I'm using the tape is simply because, like I said, there's a code rule where the neutral unidentified conductor has to be identified, and because it's not